Look at you. Holding your head up. You gonna roll over on me? Huh? Are you gonna roll over? Come on. You can do it. There we go. Yay! Now what? Now what, silly? Hey! Now what are you gonna do? You're like, what the heck happened? Devin! Hey, honey. What are you doing down there? Haha, we got back over on our stomach. Because Daddy put me there. Hey, we go back over on our back. Devin, you silly. What are you doing? Devin. Hey. Yeah, you don't like the sun too much in your face, but then again, who does?